This is the Cantilever Beam Calculator for uniform distributed load, which calculates deflection and forces for a cantilever beam under uniform loading. Let's review the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu, which offers metric with newtons, millimeters, and megapascals, or imperial with pounds, inches, and psi. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, enter the beam length L in millimeters, then input the distributed load W, which is the load per unit length. Enter the elastic modulus E of your material in megapascals. Finally, input the moment of inertia I, which is the second moment of area for your beam's cross-section. Here's a worked example. With a beam length of 10 millimeters, distributed load of 10 newtons per millimeter, elastic modulus of 10 megapascals, and moment of inertia of 10 millimeters to the fourth power, click Calculate. The maximum deflection shows 125 millimeters at the beam's free end. The maximum moment is 500 newton millimeters, occurring at the fixed support. The reaction force equals 100 newtons upward at the support. The reaction moment is 500 newton millimeters, resisting rotation at the fixed end. This tool streamlines cantilever beam analysis for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.